It is Monday. I'm a little bit late to work today, but I come prepared. We're back on the ferry and I brought some lunch. Let's see what we got here. It's yesterday's dinner that I didn't get to finish. It's gonna be good. Okay, so today has been a day at work. I'm not going to be negative, it's been an okay day at work. I had some meetings that I was really not looking forward to. Now I'm feeling kind of drained. I'm going to cook some food and then I'm building a website for my brother and I'm getting all these imposter syndrome, like, who do you think you are? You can't build web pages. And I'm like, yeah, maybe not. And then it's like this fear that
they're going to inspect your code and then they're going to laugh at you.
But we have to start somewhere, so that's the plan for today. I'm gonna build him a webpage and it's gonna be fun and he'll be happy with it regardless, and I'm gonna do my best. So first, dinner. So now I'm just gonna enjoy the meal. And yes, I eat in front of the computer because who's gonna stop me? It's the best place to eat. Alright, so I've had my dinner. And what I did yesterday, I thought about building my brother's webpage, you know, from scratch. I thought he needs a good website, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna buy a template that I like and then I'm gonna work with that. He gets a good webpage, I get to look at someone else's code and modify it to my liking instead of building it from scratch. So I'm starting here, so I bought this webpage, I'll show you. And I think it looks cool. So he's a chiropractor, so it was about 20 bucks or something. So. But that's cool. I get something to work out of. So now I'm just gonna put on some music and modify this webpage into something that he can use. Alright, so I've actually been working on this webpage for a couple of hours, quite some time actually. I felt not much has been done, but it takes a lot of time just looking through the code, getting exposed to a lot of new things. I'm not that good with the JavaScript yet, but I can go and look in the classes in the CSS code and kind of make my way through it and do changes. Even though I don't know all the functionality, I can Google my way to it as it is now. The photo stuff needs to be updated, but I need to update the symbols. Added a new item here. It looks really good. This is the mobile version for it, so yeah, and I've just been removing things we don't need. And it is learning, but it feels like cheating when you kind of buy a ready-made product. But I think it's really good for learning just to play around with that product and see what happens when you remove things. It's been good, but now it's time for a shower and it's getting close to bedtime as well. I found this webpage called freecodecamp.org and I started doing the JavaScript fundamental course, and I found it to be a very good brush up on my skills and perfect for work, because when I'm in between tasks or I have 5 minutes instead of just reading the newspaper or doing other stuff, I'm just doing one of those and it makes me feel that I'm working towards my goal even though I'm at work. So just a couple minutes and then I'm back to doing my normal work, which was kind of fun. I got home from work and made myself another healthy meal, and then I decided to start my very first project using JavaScript, and I decided upon making a to-do list. I just want to master everything at once. Then I get discouraged and lose patience when I feel I'm just doing small stupid steps. And on top of this, adding this inner voice that says, who do you think you are? And this will take years of hard work. Do you even think you have it in you? But then I just need to calm myself down and make myself aware of the fact that what else am I supposed to do? Give up and watch TV? I need to convince myself to trust the process and to move with small yet steady steps in the right direction. So let's see here, and it's incredible how much you learn just by going through this. So sorry about the light from the monitor, but so here's like the list, and it just adds things. So I'm really happy with getting that functionality up and running, and if I don't have an item, it asks me what I want to do. So this is cool. When it comes to the code, most of it I kind of knew from before, but apart like this section here where you create an element, I need to read up on that, and also create text node. Those were kind of new. I had to Google my way to those two. I'm still missing some functionality, but this is a good start and it works, and that makes me very happy. At the start when nothing happened, I was like, what's going on here? And first I just got the dots with no text in it, and it just started going from there, but that was fun. So yeah, good day. Now it's time for some walkies with Kevson. He's waiting for me to do some walkies. He's being impatient. Yeah, I'm glad. Today was a good day. I'm kind of starting to see the path to take, and I'm really happy about the free code camp. I highly recommend that if you just want to start learning while working. You can just have that on the side, and it doesn't take a lot of time. It's just 2 minutes here and 2 minutes there. Alright, if you're hearing this, I want to thank you for watching the video. It means a lot to me, and actually at the time of this recording I have 0 subscribers, so that's not a bad thing. I'm doing this for my own sake as well, documenting my learning. But if you by any chance want to follow me on my coding journey and learning new skills together, I'd be honored. So hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.